light reggae music playing. Hey everyone, welcome back to M2K Trends. Today, I'm diving into a hot topic that sparks a lot of heated debates in Jamaican barbershops, street corners, and even online. Who is more unfaithful, Jamaican soldiers or police officers? Let's talk about it. You've probably heard the jokes or seen the memes. People say soldiers always have a girl in every parish, while police love to pull over love lives. But are these just stereotypes, or is there any truth to them? Well, here's the real deal. There is no verified data or official research comparing the fidelity of Jamaican soldiers versus police officers. None. Zero. Most of what we hear comes from personal stories or exaggerated gossip, not hard facts. Now, why do people believe it? Probably because both professions involve long hours, high stress, and sometimes living away from home. That makes people assume temptation must be high. But that's not exclusive to just police or soldiers. It happens in many jobs. Let's be real. Cheating is a personal decision. Whether you're a soldier, police officer, teacher, or taxi driver, it all comes down to your own values and commitment. It's not fair to paint an entire profession with one brush. So next time someone drops that stereotype, ask for the receipts. Until then, focus on truth, not talk. If you like this video, hit like, share with a friend, and subscribe for more real discussions with M2K Trends. Outro music fades in.